Hey guys, Jimin here. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing to you how to get thicker looking hair bangs for a tubular haircut. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. If you like what you see, be sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on post notifications to never miss a brand new video again. So everyone's hair is different. Some people just have thicker hair than others. You know, for most Asians, we have really thin hair. If you look over here, our hair is actually pretty thin. It's not actually that thick. And the only reason my hair looks thick right now is because I have a lot of it. Now, if you want thicker looking hair bangs, try growing your hair as long as possible. So as you can see for me, my hair on the top is pretty long actually. So even on my hair bangs here, it's all the way to my nose. All the way, like basically to my nose, right? The longer it is, and then when you swipe it to the sides like this, it just looks full and thick and covers your forehead. Now, some people prefer showing their forehead when they style their hair, but for me, I just personally prefer to have my hair bangs all covering my forehead and to my eyebrows. And this is also part of the tubular hairstyle, which is basically like a mushroom. To get thicker and healthy hair, also keep in mind to not blow dry your hair too much. If you blow dry, use heat protectant to your hair so it doesn't damage it. Blow drying your hair too much and brushing your hair too much after the shower will just damage your hair follicles, which you do not want. As for shampoo, try not to shampoo your hair every day. Your hair has natural oils that will protect your hair, so the more you wash it, the more of these natural oils will strip away. And then also try using some hair conditioner from time to time. That helps soften your hair and helps you have thicker looking hair bangs. But other than that, if you're Asian, you most likely won't have much trouble to grow thick hair bangs. Just grow as much as possible and your thin hair will just accumulate and then it'll cover everything, you know? Just cover your forehead, cover your eyes. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below and check back next time.